This is Infini, a unique desk toy that will help you stay calm, relaxed, and focused. This fidget toy is quite addictive, so once you start fidgeting, it'll be hard to put down. It's like a small remote or an automatic keycard that sits on your palm. There's a rotating dial that clicks, an infinite swipe track, balls that you can press and roll, plus a rubber layer surrounds the gadget, allowing you to tap it on the table without disturbing others. Besides these, you can find more ways to fidget and keep calm with Infini. Fidget in style with Infinity Cube, an awe-inspiring EDC fidgeting toy that you won't be able to put down. When fidgeting with this cube, it looks like a Transformers robot morphing into something else. You can fold it repeatedly while you brainstorm ideas, improve your focus, relieve anxiety, and clear your head. This fidgeting cube is made from CNC machined anodized aluminum, and you can get it in either silver or black. When laid flat, it's no thicker than your wallet, so it's easily pocketable. Keep focus, relieve stress, or simply play around with the Mezmo Koi, a coin-shaped spinning toy that you can take everywhere and spin anywhere. It's precision machined from solid brass and spins effortlessly on a tungsten carbide tip with a spiral design on top, creating an optical illusion with a continuous flow. This perfect EDC spinning toy comes with a nice leather sleeve to carry with style and protect from scratching. The beautiful combination of weight and tungsten carbide tip ensures long spinning times, especially on smooth surfaces like glass. Roll and relax with the Ono Roller. This fidget gadget looks sleek and is built using the highest quality materials. It's made of aircraft-grade aluminum with a smooth sandblasted finish. You'll be able to ease your mind with its soothing and satisfying roll motion. Just look how perfectly it fits in the palm of your hands. After grinding in your desk job for hours, use the Ono Roller to release built-up tension in your smaller muscles and tendons. Oh, let's not forget this gadget also comes in multiple colors and includes a convenient carrying sleeve. Now, this is a fidget toy that does more than spinning. Comma 2.0 was created to fulfill your sensory needs and help you focus on the task at hand. It's made of tough stainless steel yet is portable enough for you to take it anywhere. This spinner has a haptic click maze game, circular ruler, DIY ability, and more. Not only that, you can use its backside to open bottles, boxes, or screw in bolts. And it also comes with different accessories to help you achieve different functions. We just talked about a fidget gadget that does more than spinning, so now let's talk about one that only spins. Here's Simply Spin, a timeless classic top that you can play as a fidget to relax, reflect, regain focus, and be productive. It's made of premium North American wood that looks and feels amazing. This natural wood surface is always warm and smooth to the touch. Plus, the Simply Spin comes in two variations, Ing Walnut and Young Beech. Now, here's Specta, which is a premium pen and fidget ball combo. It's a traditional twist pen reimagined. You'll be able to write smoothly with its well-balanced design and keep fiddling with the ball. On the other hand, it has a stylus hidden inside a stainless steel cap that will allow you to secure it in your pockets. The body is designed with 9 intricately machined scales. Plus, you can easily disassemble and assemble the pen to refill ink. The alloy fidget ball has 9 features: flick, turn, press, and more. You can also open bottles with it and insert bits for quick fixes. The Dual is another fidget gadget that's more than just a toy because it has stellar-sounding TWS earbuds inside. How cool is that? A simple swivel reveals the buds. These earbuds offer excellent transmission audio quality and a snug fit that won't accidentally fall from your ears. The case acts as a fidget spinner so that you can leave the stress behind and enter a world of relaxation. You will be mesmerized by the charge indicator lights every time you spin the Dual This combo also has a lanyard that enables you to attach it to your backpack. This is Moondrop, a gravity-defying desk toy that imitates the freefall physics that you would find on the Moon and Mars. It's carefully calculated and CNC machined out of aerospace-grade materials. You'll be thoroughly surprised by its anti-gravity effect. Fidget anywhere at home or at the office and fidget however you like. Connect the 2 pieces together or use them separately. Now you can relax while understanding more about physics and how gravity works in outer space. So flip it, slide it, and spin it. No, these aren't your ordinary bolts and gears. This is the Metmo helico, a fidget gadget that is precision engineered with a unique herringbone profile. It has everything you could want from a relaxing desk toy. It has a solid metal construction with striking visuals that intrigue the eye. You can roll it on the table, attach the pieces together to have it in the palm to fidget like it's a tactile dial, or play with them like they are gears and cogs. You can also spin it like a top. So improve your dexterity and fidget endlessly with helico.